I just made $1,025 trading SPY live, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. It was actually super duper simple. I took this trade live with my husband and also my friends in the academy. I'm gonna break it down for you. But before that, help this video get to 1,000 likes. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and you can go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I know you're gonna like what you see. I don't want to waste your time, so let's get right into it. All right, y'all. So this is a simple trade that we took today on SPY. But the crazy thing is that a lot of my friends took the same setup on Qs. So let me go through my thought process and exactly what I do first things first. So the first thing we like to do, or the first thing I do, is I mark my pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Okay, so I want you to see here that my pre-market levels is in this orange area here, and my pre-market high is designated by these dotted yellow lines, and my pre-market low is also these dotted lines here. The time periods that I use to get my critical levels above price action or below price action are the hourly time frame and the 4-hour time frame. So I simply go on those higher time frames, the 4-hour and the hourly, and look for those high points and low. You don't need a whole bunch, right? About 2 or 3 levels above price and below, so that you can have some sort of gauge where prices reacted previously to trade on the lower time frames. Okay, so once I've had my critical levels, pre-market levels, previous day levels, and my hourly and 4-hour critical levels above and below price action, then we start with our intraday trading. Okay, so price opened here on SPY, made a nice push to the downside, and I love to see a nice trend, right? Trend is your friend. If you know me, you know that I love trading with a trend. So we see a nice downtrend. So in my head, I'm like, okay, impossible put happening here. So as we got to this level here, 65, 654.80, we see some sort of support here happening, and then what that did create was a beautiful flag here. Okay, so with that flag, I got my signal for my entry, right? Once we got a break of that flag right here, and also it coincides with what this dotted line is. Remember what that line is my pre-market low. So not only did we get a break of a pivot point, we got also our entry, and we got a break of pre-market low. Okay, so y'all remember this too. Once you have an entry, you should know where your stop loss is, and when it comes to the flag, it's simply on the opposite side of that flag. Okay, when we get this push to the downside, y'all, this is my entry, and like I said, it looks like a small move, but this is almost a $2 move here, $1.50, $1.50 plus, and this was an awesome move to the downside. I have a profit target here at 653.18. As you can see here, I have a level at 653.18, and this is where I took profit. Okay, and taking profit simply means to shave off some of your contracts, to also lessen your risk in the trade, and to actually get paid for the work we've done thus far. So y'all, this was less than about 15 minutes in the market, which is, you know, a beautiful day at work. I can't, you know, ask for anything less. Being a former elementary school teacher, making what I would normally make as my 2-week takeaway is in less than 15 minutes is literally a dream. So y'all, on this day, we were able to take not only SPY, QQQ, but a lot of my friends inside of the academy were also able to take other trades like BAC, IWM, PLTR. And the beauty of it is they were able to actually use our brand new indicator. And what this indicator does is it helps mark some of these critical levels for you, right? So you can use this on any ticker, on any time frame, and it will help mark those critical levels that I talked to you about, right? The pre-market levels, previous day, those critical levels on the higher time frame. This indicator helps you with that. So I think like the most outstanding part of this indicator, and I'm sorry if I'm bragging a little bit, I've been working on this baby for a long time. It is near and dear to my heart, and I've already seen with the introduction of it to the group that it has helped so many people. So listen, this indicator also shows you your entry candle, and that has helped a lot of individuals who are struggling on, you know, knowing where to get in and out of a trade. So that's enough about that. But listen, my friend, my goal for you as a former elementary school teacher who understands the fact that, hey, trading can be complicated. It can be super duper intimidating when you're just starting out. I just want to make sure that y'all see that it's quite possible to make your goal, whatever that be, if it's $100 a day, $50 a day, $250 a day, whatever it is, that extra money can change a situation. That could buy gas, that could buy groceries, that could get you, to start building up that savings account that you've been trying to build for forever, right? So listen, I hope this video was very helpful to you. I hope you learned something new. I hope you see the possibilities that are here in the market. All right, y'all. So if you want to ever trade with me live and actually get access to the indicator, you get that as being a part of the academy, because we want to make sure we're giving you all the tools and the resources 100% that is going to help you on your trading journey. Go ahead and click the link in my description or comment the word trade, and I got you. I'll see you on the next one. Buy would be below 654.77. The bet is that it needs to break and hold below pre-market low. Qs below 591.61 for 590 puts. Tesla below this 521.08 for 421.08 for 419 puts.
I'm in SPY, y'all. I'm in SPY. Let's see. First trade, small size. It's a pre-market low. If they could break, we're good.
Nvidia below 180.69. All right. Okay. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. PLTR hit profit target here.
Let's go, baby.
All right. Let's see where we can get to.
Let's go, baby. Good entry, T.
Yeah.
Take a little bit off, y'all. Trim a little bit.
Trim on Tesla. Trim on SPY. Trim on Qs.